Shandong Jinxin Agricultural Equipment Company Limited is a trading company, with the original entity factory being Qingzhou Jinxin-Greenhouse Materials Company Limited, founded in 2009. The company is a high-tech enterprise specializing in modern facility agriculture, intelligent greenhouse, animal husbandry equipment, steel structure, vegetable planting operation, flower seedling tissue culture, seedling promotion and park planning. Our services encompass research and development, design, manufacturing, foreign trade and sales, construction guidance and planting operation. Since its establishment, the company has won many honors including High-Tech Enterprise, One Enterprise and One Technology, Enterprise Technology Center, Science and Technology SMEs, Innovative SMEs, Provincial Specialized and Special New, Engineering Research Center, Cloud Benchmarking Enterprise, Invisible Champion, ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certification, Construction General Contracting and Professional Steel Structure Second Level Qualification. The company covers an area of 60,000 square meters, more than 200 employees, more than 20 technical research and development personnel, with 24,000 square meters of standardized environmental protection plants, modern office buildings, ERP integrated office, equipped with large-scale automated laser cutting system. We are supported by a professional team and our own advanced plant to ensure excellent product quality and efficient supply chain management in your agricultural greenhouse projects. Wherever you are, we are willing to work with you to open up new business prospects. Contact us and let's explore how to be more successful in agricultural greenhouse projects.